Hi everybody, welcome back to Encore After School Program Home Edition. On Crazy Eights today we're going to be making a treasure map. So pull out your binders and pull out the papers. I think this one will be on top, graph paper for round 2. That one you can put off to the side. And you'll need treasure hunt coordinates, map drawing coordinates, and then the paper that is big. Open it up, and this is the map that we're going to be using to make our treasure map. You'll also need a pencil and a marker. Okay, let's get going. So basically what we're going to do is something like we did with the M&M graph, where we had the x-axis and the y-axis, and that's how we're going to plot our points on this map. So if you remember, the bottom line is called your x-axis, and you can see we have numbered from 0 to 14 on this map grid. And then your y-axis is the one that is vertical, and we have 0 to 10. And then there's a bunch of boxes. What's going to happen is we're going to take our paper that says map drawing coordinates. And there's 3 objects on this map that we're going to be drawing. And what we're going to do is we're going to go do the first one by following these coordinates. And you're saying, what in the world? There's a 3 and a 1. What does that mean? Well, I'll show you. The first number always represents the x-axis. And the second number represents the y-axis. So our first number is 3 and then 1. And what we do is we follow those lines until they intersect. And you're going to draw a circle. We're going to do that with every single one. But as we go, we're going to connect the dots. So the second one says 8, 1. So the x-axis is 8. The y-axis is 1. So we go until they connect. We have a dot there. Now I'm going to pick up my marker so I can see it better, and I'm going to connect to those 2 points. Okay? So that's our first line of our first object. Right, the next coordinates are 10. Remember, the first number is the x-axis, 10, 4. So that's the y-axis. We go up and find the 4, find the line for the 4, and we go, oops, did I mess that one up? Nope, we go until they intersect, draw a point. Pick up your marker and draw a line. Now you can see this is going to be a diagonal line because you go straight to that next point, just like in a regular dot to dot. So I'm kind of doing this in an awkward position, so it may not be very straight, but okay, here we go. Got any idea what that picture could be yet? Next coordinate is an 8. So the x-axis is an 8, the first number. The second number is the y-axis, which is a 3. Again, we go until it connects. Draw our dot, and then connect the dot from the previous one. Okay, and if you can't keep up, then just pause the video and you have the coordinates, and you can do this faster or slower or however, do it with me, however it's easier for you. Okay, the next one is 3 and a 3. Connect. Draw my circle. Draw my line from dot to dot. 1, 4 is the next one, right here. Draw my dot, connect the dots. Got any ideas yet what this could be? Let's see, what did I just do? 1, 4, is that what I just did?
3, 1, 4.
Now I'm doing 3, 1. Oh, which is the one that we did there. So we're just connecting, see, the 3 and then the 1 that was our first one. So we're just going to connect those 2. Here we go. There's our first object. It's Is it looking like anything to you yet? All right, let's draw a second object. So now this object is finished. We're not going to be connecting it with anything. So our next coordinates are a 5 and a 3. So we're going to go 5 and then up 3. Looks like it's something on there, but that's okay. This is how they're connecting our two shapes. That's our first dot for the second object. Next coordinates 5 and a 9. So let's go up, follow the 5 line, follow the 9 line until they come together, way up here. Now remember, now we connect those two dots. Pirate ship. Let's see, we have an 8 and a 4 next. 8 way over here for our x-axis and a 4. Connect them. There we go, right here. Okay, so then we bring this, from this dot, we draw a line down to that dot. You're going over a couple of where I connected the paper, so just do the best you can. And the last one is a 5 and a 4. 5, 4, right here. And connect those two dots, and that's our second object. It's pretty much looking like something now, isn't it? Sailboat, that's my guess. This is the sail, that's the boat part. All right, third object. I'm gonna move this over closer to me. First is an 11, 7. Go until they connect right to there. Dot. Oh, I don't have anything to connect yet. 10, 8. Find our 10, find our 8, follow the lines until they connect right there. And connect the dots. 11, 9. 11, 9. Follow them up till they connect. Okay, so now we're going to connect this dot to the one that we just drew. Next one, 13, 9. Follow it up until it connects. There it is. This was our last one. Connect the dot. Next one is 12, 8. 12 on the x-axis, 8 on the y-axis. Right there. Connect the dots. 13, 8. Ooh, that's going to be right close to the one we just did. 13, 8. 13, 8. I guess so. Connect those dots. Last one. 11, 7. Oh, that's what we started with. So we're going this way. And there we go. We have created our treasure map. Looks like we have a boat, and I think that this is an island. All right, so this is the map. This is our treasure map. We're finished with it for today, so you can fold it up and put it away. Come back tomorrow with a friend because we're going to pull this out and we're going to play a game with this treasure map. So see you tomorrow.